Hey there, Dr. Joe here, SpineGeek Chiropractic. Listen, let's talk about arthritis, okay? Listen, arthritis isn't just wear and tear. It's a signal on your body. It's a signal your body's telling you that, hey, something's happening, something wrong. It doesn't mean your body's broken. It just means it's trying to give you a call for help, if you would. Your joints are stiff. Your movement feels restricted. Some days it's the pain's dull, or some days the pain's extreme. And you've been told by your doctor or somebody, well, it's just aging, or it's bone on bone, or just here, take these anti-inflammatories and you'll be fine. But you're really not. You're really not. But what if the pain you're having is just part of the story? What if your arthritis isn't a death sentence, but a wake-up call? See, arthritis refers to inflammation and degeneration at your joints. It's when inflammation from what we think, what we say, what we do, what we eat, how we play, our history, starts to attack the joint. There are many types of osteoarthritis: wear and tear, rheumatoid arthritis, which is autoimmune, psoriatic arthritis, and there's more. But the common thread is this: the joint is no longer working the way it's designed to. The brain is sending messages of pain to that joint for a reason. It's in trouble. So symptoms can include joint pain and stiffness, swelling, reduced mobility, cracking or grinding, like, oh, there's my knees, right? Pain that worsens with inactivity, so it hurts when you don't move, or it hurts when you begin to move. It's kind of like you're darned if you do and you're darned if you don't. But most arthritis doesn't start with the joint. It starts with misalignment, stress, and poor movement patterns that wear the joint down over time. Just like an old tire begins to wear out because the alignment of the car or the truck are off. Imagine you're a superhero and but you forget your shield going into battle. The whole world is going to attack you and it's not going to go well. Think of arthritis like that, like the shield is down on your elbow or your wrist or your hands or your knees or your feet. When the spine's misaligned or posture is compromised, your joints begin to bear the brunt. An uneven load wears down the cartilage, poor nerve flow limits repair, chronic inflammation sets in, and the body adapts poorly and then ossifies and begins to adapt. And that's when you start having the pain. When the nerve system is under a constant stress, your healing response drops, meaning your shield goes down, and your joints degenerate faster. Man's way says, listen, degeneration is inevitable. It's just getting old. Suck it up. Get used to it. Take medication. That's man's way. God's way here at SpineGeek Chiropractic, we're here to rebuild and regenerate those joints. We're here to get you aligned and get you corrected. Just like if you realign the truck, the tires no longer wear out like they're supposed to. Here's why most arthritic treatments don't work. It's why they fail. It's because the conventional approach is let's reduce the pain, let's inject something into the joint, or let's wait until it's bad enough to get a knee replacement, right? Because when you hear the word bone on bone, well, let's just have surgery. This is like putting a fresh coat of paint over a cracked foundation. It doesn't fix the cause. It just quiets the complaint until it returns again stronger. Here at SpineGeek, we go deeper. What's causing the joint pain, or what's causing the breakdown? Is there any structural imbalance? And how can we help the nerve system restore balance and get you healing and get you regenerating? See, your spine and your nerve system is the key to unlocking regeneration in your body. If your shield's down, life's attacking you, degeneration's happening, and your joints are hurting. What we do here at SpineGeek Chiropractic is get the body back in alignment and get things regenerating. So we specialize in identifying the neurological and biomechanical dysfunction behind arthritis symptoms and correcting it with principled chiropractic care. It's different. I've been doing this for 33 years. We'll take good care of you. On your first visit, this is where I like to have a full health history to find out what's wrong, what's going on, find out where the stress is, find out where trauma is. Then we'll check your spine and joint mobility and test those. Then I'll check your posture. Then we'll get digital x-rays if necessary to see exactly what's going on. And then we'll provide chiropractic care that's going to remove that interference, get the joints and the brain talking together, and get that inflammatory process to begin to calm down. My goal is to improve your joint motion, reduce inflammation, reconnect your brain and body so you can get healthy and strong again, and rebuild from the inside out without medications, shots, or surgery. And again, tons of research talk about how chiropractic and treatment for arthritis go hand in hand. Just think about it. We get the car back in line, get the body back in line, get the brain talking to the body, things begin to calm down, and you begin to heal. I mean, I remember we had a 65-year-old patient that came in. She was a dancer. She also was an athlete, and she was hurting, and she had horrible knee arthritis. She'd been told before that she needed to have a knee replacement. I found that her pelvis was imbalanced, that there was misalignment in her spine. Her brain was disconnecting from those knees, and the pain was the response. We found the problem on the exam and x-rays. We presented her what we could do for her. She picked the best plan for her, and now she's doing better. She's getting back to playing pickleball. She's going dancing, and she's enjoying her life again. See, arthritis is the result of long-term misalignment and stress. It's not something you're given to because of your age. It's not a sentence. It's not a lifelong prescription. It's not the end of your story. When the spine is aligned and the nerve system is clear, your body works better. Healing happens. Your shield gets put back up, and now you're able to go after life like never before. And so, again, what to expect on your first visit? We're going to do a full history. We're going to do spinal neurological testing, x-rays if necessary, so we can get to the cause of the joint pain. We're going to look at those nerves that go exactly to the joint that's hurting and begin to make them work better so that your joints work better. So here's what I need you to do. If I'm talking to you, go to the description below, and you can text us, 303-457-8080. You can call us, okay? You can click a link and go ahead and make your appointment, but you have nothing to lose, okay, except the pain, and get back to your life and get back living again. So this is Dr. Joe Arve. Thanks for deep diving here on the topic of arthritis. There's more to come, and again, click the link below, text or call us. The numbers and information is in the description below, and we'll figure this out. We'll take good care of you, okay? God bless you. Bye-bye.